In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sold out labels in Ecwid. If you're managing an online store, you probably know how important it is to keep your inventory up to date. One way to do this is by adding sold out labels to products that are no longer available. This lets your customers know that an item is currently unavailable, preventing any disappointment and encouraging them to check back later or discover other products they might love. Let's start by heading over to your Ecwid dashboard. Once you're logged into your Ecwid account, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Catalog. This is usually found on the sidebar, and it's the hub where you manage all your products. Clicking on Catalog will bring up a list of all the items you currently have in your store. The next step is to locate the product you want to edit, perhaps one that's just sold out. Once you've found it, click on Edit Product. This option will open up the product details page. Here, you have the ability to adjust various features of your item, such as descriptions, images, prices, and importantly for this tutorial, its availability status. Now, with the product details in front of you, the aim is to change its availability. Look for the section that deals with product status. You'll notice there's an option to either enable or disable the product. What you want to do is disable product availability. This will automatically prompt Ecwid to apply an out of stock or sold out label to the item on your online store. It's really a simple toggle, but it's crucial for maintaining transparency with your customers. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. You can either click the Save button, which is up at the top right corner of your screen, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply hit Ctrl+S. Saving your work now ensures that the modifications take effect immediately, so your customers see the correct status as soon as possible. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep your Ecwid store updated and your customers informed. By effectively managing your inventory and clearly marking sold out items, you build trust and enhance the shopping experience for your audience. Remember, while a product being sold out can be disappointing for a customer, knowing that it's unavailable up front can encourage them to explore other options you have and eventually lead to discovering something else they might love in your store. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that it helps in maintaining your store efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.